Hi everyone, we're gonna teach you of how to use Turnitin. So Turnitin is an originality checking and plagiarism prevention service that checks your writing for citation, mistake or inappropriate copying when submitting your papers. Turnitin compares it to text in massive database of student work, website, book, and articles. Usually, it being used for assignment tools in all online class. So, Turnitin is used for next. Lastly, okay. So now we use our search engine, which is Google, and we're gonna type in Turnitin. So we're gonna go to page Turnitin. This is the page of Turnitin. So what we're gonna do is log in. At the login page, we have to insert our email address and password. So we log it in. As you can see, we already logged into the Turnitin. So now add class. Okay, at the add class, we have to choose class type standard, class name testing, enrollment key 1111. Subject area communication/journalist, student levels graduate, class start date and class end date, and we submit. Here is the class ID and enrollment key. And we click continue. Here's class created. Now add assignment and assignment title. Okay, so now we add the new assignment. Assignment title is sample, and then for optional setting, we choose yes, yes, no, yes, no, and then no, and then no repository. Search option student paper repository, and then we submit. So we So here we try to submit our file, the file that have our assignment. So we enter the first name ABC and the last name is XYZ. Submission file is paper, and we choose from the desktop computer. Now we choose our file and click open. Now all is left is upload. So now we have to click confirm. Go to assignment inbox. Now as you can see, our file already there. Now we have to wait for a few minutes to see our match overview, to see how many plagiarism percentage. As we can see there, the 78% of plagiarism, usually it being highlighted with the color of red.
First advantage is educate students on correct referencing techniques.
Next advantage is educate students on correct coding techniques.
Moreover, the advantages is educate students on identify and acknowledge other authors' work.
Lastly, detects where students have copied in part or in full another writer works.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.